If you've ever shopped around for accounting services, you've probably asked yourself, why does this cost what it costs? Maybe you've even done your research and have a ballpark idea of what a specific firm charges, but there's still this big question mark when it comes to the industry's pricing as a whole. Welcome to CSI Accounting. I'm Jordan, and today we're going to be pulling back the curtain. We'll cover what drives accounting costs up, what drives them down, and some things you can do to keep your fees low without sacrificing quality. So if you're a small business owner looking to get the most value from your accounting investment, stick around because this video is for you. Let's kick it off with the tough news first. What's making accounting services more expensive? Well, inflation for one. Inflation impacts everything, and accounting services are no exception. Rising costs for office leases, utilities, and even basic supplies means that firms need to raise their prices to keep up. And it's not just the physical office space. Software and tech subscriptions also become pricier over time. Here's another big one: labor. You might have heard about the ongoing shortage of accountants. Fewer people are choosing accounting as a career, so firms have to spend more on recruiting and retaining top talent. In fact, a firm might spend over $20,000 just to recruit a single quality accountant. That's a cost that inevitably gets reflected in the pricing. Accounting firms today also need to invest heavily in technology to stay competitive and secure. Whether it's cloud-based solutions for seamless client service or advanced cybersecurity to protect your sensitive data, these tech upgrades aren't cheap, but they are necessary. Also, technology isn't the only thing in this industry that's constantly changing. Tax laws and regulations are always updating, and firms need to keep up. This means continuous education for accountants, which involves costly subscriptions and training programs. It's a lot of behind-the-scenes work, but it's crucial to get your books done right and stay compliant. Finally, the more customized the service, the higher the cost. It sounds great to get everything tailored to your exact needs, but customization means more work, and more work means higher fees. For example, adding extra services like invoicing, bill pay, or inventory management can significantly drive up the cost of your fee. Alright, now let's get to the good news. What can actually reduce the cost of accounting services? Like many other industries, remote and hybrid work setups have been a game changer. Firms no longer need large office spaces, and they can save a ton on overhead. Those savings can get passed down to the clients. For example, at our firm, CSI, we have a hybrid work model that means we can avoid things like expensive office expansions, which does help keep our costs in check. Automation and AI tools are also revolutionizing accounting. By streamlining repetitive tasks, these tools help firms handle more clients efficiently, reducing labor costs. Again, at CSI, we use these tools to enhance our service, but we're not replacing our staff, we're boosting productivity, which helps us keep prices stable. Next up, having your accounting firm also do your payroll. Bundling your accounting and payroll services can lead to lower fees because it simplifies the process for your accountant. Instead of pulling data from different sources, everything is streamlined. If you bundle these services, you can enjoy both lower costs and the peace of mind that comes with having everything handled in one place. Offering standardized services can also drive down the costs. Instead of customizing every little detail, some firms stick to a core package of services that meet most business needs. This keeps things efficient and control pricing. At CSI, we stick to standard monthly accounting and recommend separate options for things like invoicing and bill pay to keep your costs down. Alright, now that you know what drives costs up and down, let's talk about what you can do as a client to minimize your accounting fee. One of the easiest ways to keep your fee low is to consolidate your bank accounts and credit cards. The more accounts your accountant has to handle, the more time and work it takes. Keeping this simple really helps you save. As we mentioned earlier, bundling your accounting and payroll services can also help reduce your costs. Not only does it save time for your accountant, but it also reduces the chance of errors and delays when everything is managed under one roof. Scope creep is another common issue that can drive up your fee. If you start adding extra services that weren't part of the original agreement, your monthly cost will increase. Be clear about what you need from the start and stick to that plan, or check in with your accountant to see if you need to make changes. Alright, there you have it. We've covered what factors drive costs up in the accounting industry, as well as what helps keep them down, and what you can do to keep your fees minimized. And of course, this can vary from firm to firm, but this is what we've experienced after decades of working with small businesses. So, what's the next step? If you're ready to explore how CSI can help you with your monthly accounting needs, click the link below for a free consultation. We'd love to chat about how we can support your business. Otherwise, check out our other videos to learn more about what we offer and why working with CSI could be the right move for your business. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on managing your business finances. See you next time.